Definitely very impressed. I love this already. Hi, I'm Yan Chan, and today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you guys. Mecca has sent me a whole bunch of beauty products that I cannot wait to try. We've got some new Charlotte Tilbury and also some brands that I absolutely love, like Westman Atelier. I'm going to be doing a fun makeup look, all inspired by the return to glamour. Let's do it! We've got some new Charlotte Tilbury products that I cannot wait to try. We've got the Hyaluronic lip balm, her mascara, the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution More Lippy, and I really cannot wait to try this lip and cheek glow tint. I'm all about a multi-purpose, multi-use product, so cannot wait to try this. We've also got some of my other favorite beauty products like Byredo. They've just launched their beauty line. These color sticks, genius. I love layering this over my other eyeshadows or using them as a base. So many fun colors as well. Kosas, definitely another favorite. Their beautiful creamy concealer is something that I use a lot. We're also going to be working with another favorite of mine, which is Westman Atelier by Gucci Westman. It's a clean beauty product, and I've got the lip suede. Also, we have a highlight stick. Last but not least, I'm very excited to try this dewy stick for the body. First things first, prepping your skin. I've already put on a layer of SPF, but I am really looking forward to trying this Hyaluronic color lip balm. I feel like we need to go in with this first. This is what it looks like. I just want to do a really light layer. I actually would wear this every day. I love the slight tint it has. Next up, we're going to move into brows. We've got the Rose Ink Brow Renew Gel. I've noticed that like ever since I've dyed my hair back to brown, I've been really loving keeping my eyebrows quite natural. Especially like the center bits, I like leaving them quite light actually. Ooh, I like how fine the brush is. As you can see, like it's really just combed out my hairs. Thank you, Rose Ink. Okay, next up, let's start on the skin. So I actually haven't really been using foundation that much lately. I've just been going straight with concealer. This one is by Kosas. Super creamy. I'm obsessed with this formula. I always like covering this part of my nose because when I get tired, it gets kind of dark. And I kind of just let it do its thing and just like sit on my face for a little bit, just kind of marinates. I got a whole new pack of brushes that I'm so excited to use. Let's get blending. I don't know, I usually love using my hands, but I feel like when I'm getting ready for like a special night out, I really like to just use my brushes. I just feel like it gives everything a much more flawless finish, and you just really blend. You kind of like push the concealer in. See how I feel like when you use a brush to blend out the concealer, it almost acts like a bit of a foundation because you can just buff the leftover concealer bits. I might put a little bit more extra on my nose. This is why I love using concealer over foundation sometimes, because you can just slowly build and blend. I don't know, I feel like it gives you more of like a seamless coverage. The best thing about this concealer is that it's so creamy, so like I usually like to use kind of like a light layer first, and then with any sort of imperfections, I like to just go over it again. I prefer to just go light every time and like build up on it and like have layers on it. It just allows the product to like sit into your skin and just for it to actually look like real skin, you know what I mean? Okay, this is looking very good. I'm very happy with this. Usually I would go straight into doing bronzer and like a cheek, but today, because I really want to experiment with colors and my eyes, and we have so many great products. First up, we have this Byredo palette. It comes in this beautiful packaging. I'm obsessed with it. This one is called Corporate Colors. I'm really obsessed with this kind of like gold silvery shimmer. I feel like we're definitely going to use that. This is also really gorgeous. My favorite type of beauty product, sticks. I am absolutely obsessed with sticks, whether it's like a bronzing stick, eyeshadow sticks, lipsticks. These are the Byredo sticks, and they're literally just called color sticks. They come in so many different colors. This I'm just so obsessed with. This is called Medium Blue. Got Great Sands, which is like this beautiful like taupey color. I feel like this is really great for olive tones. We also have Sauce. This is a really cool color. I feel like this is just like this beautiful, earthy, brassy, delicious orangey color. This is really cool. This is called Mesolithic. I'm really obsessed with purples at the moment, and I'm really leaning towards doing like a purpley sort of eye and like a purpley sort of lip. I'm gonna start off using Great Sands. I'm not gonna put too much because I want this lip to be really clean. I feel like I can probably use this as a bronzer stick too. Return of Glamour to me is really about just like, not necessarily like changing what you already have, but I think it's just about like making things a little bit more glamorous than you normally would. For me, because I've always grown up doing very like minimal, natural sort of beauty looks. Ever since I've sort of like changed my hair, I've really been trying to experiment a little bit more. Ooh, this is actually really beautiful. I would definitely wear this just like on a day-to-day. The next thing I'm gonna do is take Mesolithic, which is the purple. I'm gonna take it on my brush. I'm actually really obsessed with purple at the moment. I don't know what it is. It just makes me really happy. It just makes your eyes pop. Very soft. I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. Can you see that purple? It's like very subtle. I'm just gonna go straight into the stick now. In the corners. And then I'm gonna go in with Sauce and do the same, but in the center, and then we're gonna blend. It's gonna be really fun. I love this already. Like, we haven't even blended, but we're going places. You know, I think as I've gotten older and I've like understood my own face and what works and what doesn't work for me, it's really made me look at beauty in a different light. I think when I first used makeup, I really used it as a way to like make myself look a certain way. Whereas now when I use makeup, I really just love like experimenting with colors, enhancing the looks that I already have. That's when you can really become really comfortable and start having a lot more fun with like colors. You know, like fashion and beauty is meant to be fun. It's like a way of expressing yourself. I'm gonna go a little harder with the purple at the bottom of my eyes. I'm definitely on like the drier side when it comes to skin, so anything that's like creamy and in a stick and is buildable is a big yes for me. Okay, I'm really into this. Can you see this? Love. To finish it off, we're gonna use this beautiful sandy sort of color, and I'm just gonna tap it in the corner of my eyes just to give it that extra pop. Even gonna work in like around here. Ooh, this is fun. I think I'm just gonna go in a little harder with the orange. Finish off the base. I'm just gonna use this Hostess deep bronzer, but I'm only gonna do like the teeniest bit because I just want the cheeks to look really like natural, just because I really want the eyes to pop, but this will just kind of tie in the orangey tones. I'm just gonna go under here. Okay, with the lips, we are going to use this gorgeous Charlotte Tilbury matted lipstick. I haven't used her before. She's called Pillow Talk. Matte Revolution Luminous long-lasting lipstick. That's what we want. Before I start, I'm just gonna take off this thin layer of Hyaluronic lip balm because we just want to start fresh. I'm just gonna start off in the center. Ooh, oh my god. Wait. I'm obsessed with this lipstick. It's literally like the same color as my lipstick. This has never happened before. Look, it's the same color. It feels so velvety, and I like that it doesn't come on to your lips like straight away. Okay, I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna blend it with a brush actually. I just wanna blur out the edges. It just makes everything look really soft. I just loved a blurred lip. I just feel like it softens the whole look up. I love that Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Something still needs to be a bit more cohesive. I might actually put 2 little dabs of the lipstick just to tie it all in. Last but not least, mascara. Pillow Talk Pull-Up Lashes. I have heard so much about this mascara. Ooh. I was not expecting this color. This is called Dream Pop. It's kind of a brownie, purpley tone. It's gonna go with my eyeshadow. This is kind of exciting, okay. This is very 90s. Like, I remember going into my mom's makeup closet as a kid and I would be obsessed with all of her mascaras. She'd have like blue mascaras, green mascaras, purple mascara, and I would literally just go ham on my eyelashes. Can you see the purple? I'm gonna go in at the bottom as well. Okay, next side. I really like working right to the root of the eyelash. Last but not least, just to really tie in the whole look. The Lip and Cheek Glow, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna go in a little dab, just like the teeniest dab in the center of my lips. I just feel like this needs like a teeny bit more of a pop of a color, just in the center. Just gonna go in with a little bit of powder. Wait, I'm actually really happy with this look. Okay, let's get ready. There we have it, guys. Definitely very impressed. Thanks so much for watching.